Mitraya Namaha. Welcome friends to the Inside Chamber of VSP 1080 channel. Fresh and new, rare and unique, unlimited content. Please subscribe. Jalabhadrika Kriya. There are countless secrets in our ancient scriptures. Very powerful. Jalabhadrika Kriya. Power bathing. Yes, this is power bathing. Evil eye, enmity, grudges and hatred can cause great damage to us unknowingly. Our recklessness and slip of tongue nature can hurt the innocent, which can cause immense loss to our own upliftment. Being humble and kind is a great virtue and a wise investment to grow in life. Cleanse, purify, and sanctify yourself every day while taking a bath and attain uplifted higher consciousness. One more ancient esoteric secret revealed, very powerful, precious, Jalabhadrika Kriya, power bathing. While we travel, work at offices, negotiate business, meet friends and relatives, interact with the unknown and known, we unknowingly might attract so much of negative energy. Close relatives and colleagues too could cause problems invisible to the naked eye. Anger, ego, argument, superiority, workload, interpersonal emotional blockages, conspiracies, stress, pseudo-intellectual comments and sarcasm, clashes, envy, pride, generation gaps, status gaps, suppressions, depression, loss, failure, lack of negotiation, lack of recognition, lack of delegation, divorces, love failures, no opportunities, no children, no marriages, no growth. All of these and many more situations and issues create so much of negative energy. Yes, they do. Resort to the amazing initiation of the very powerful Jalabhadrika Kriya, power bathing. Jealous people and loose-tongued characters who strive to keep others under their control and enjoy ridiculing or insulting you cannot bear to see you prosperous and successful. Their negative spells and envious wishes become unknown curses upon the humble, honest, and sincere people. If you have a rich car, a costly one, you have parked somewhere, people will be envious. They try to pick up a stone and draw scratches upon it. Few call it Jadoo Tona or black magic or Buri Nazar without any authenticity. This reduces your joy and prosperity in life. Female curses can cause great disasters. If parents are dissatisfied and keep finding faults with your behavior, it can convert you into a worthless person gradually. Whatever you do, it is a failure. You keep on trying, nothing happens. Colleagues who have complaints against you can pull you down the ladder. Yes, at times or many a time, we ourselves create the negative energy out of sheer negligence, arrogance, overconfidence and anger. Situations might have triggered your emotions, and you might have hurt others by use of foul language, insulting them. Due to ignorance or lack of maturity, you might have made false promises and had been a cause for others to suffer. Many husbands torture their family members, their own wives, to let out their stress and pains caused outside. With an intention to control others, with an intention to keep the family running at your own pace and vision, you might have caused pain or sorrow to brothers, sisters, colleagues, spouse, children, and subordinates. This triggers the curse, and the high negative energy ultimately engulfs you. You let the tiger out. Oh, this is an unlimited subject, and it can go on and on for hours together. Let us stop. Let us be humble, cool, calm, and balanced. Let us not spill our words ridiculously. Let us give respect to one and all equally. You know it. Give respect and take respect is the saying. Let us give and take love. Love is divine. Love is a powerful energy. You can control and rule people only with love. Our ancient scriptures have revealed astounding techniques to keep ourselves balanced and composed. We can clear away the negativity thus accumulated in our auric fields, chakras, sheaths, and our entire life system. Power bathing is a miraculous remedy. During bath, we can cleanse deeper and deeper. But understand, the ultimate secret, faith alone is the master key for all the esoteric. Without faith, nothing works. Wake up, better late than never. Be kind, balanced, and cool. Jalabhadra Kriya, Jalabhadrika Kriya, power bathing. Realize now, accumulate high power to protect yourself from such negative energies. Whether you are a reason or not, whether you are right or wrong, whether you have legitimate reasoning or not, the negative energies can ruthlessly drain you. People who do not care to believe in such esoteric matters can certainly protect themselves by applying a simple technique knowingly or unknowingly. If they are collecting a ton of negative energy, they might be doing a great charity, social service, or some noble deed which could be generating tons of positive energy. Accumulate more of blessings on the other side of the weighing pan to outbeat the curses. The reason why many rich people build temples and do amazing charities, be it for a social cause. Be generous, hold your tongue, do not hurt others. If you remember having hurt someone, exploited the innocent, cheated, double-crossed, backstabbed someone, or deprived others of their fortunes, go to them, ask them a sincere apology. Wipe off their tears, make them happy and indebted to you. Luck follows you and all the disasters vanish. No ego, forgive your enemies, show your concern, pamper them, rectify your mistakes, be good, do good, see how the negative vibes quit. Do not brood over the same issues and do not accumulate negative thoughts within you. Trust me, your thoughts and words become your prayers and you will reap the fruits of the seeds sown within you. Do not worry. Could you solve any problem in life by worrying? No, never. Then why do you waste your time worrying? It is the trigger for your sorrows. Remember, this is an amazing remedial measure for you. Trust me, very powerful Jalabhadrika Kriya, power bathing. Get ready for the holy bath. Very powerful Jalabhadrika Kriya, power bathing. Let all the negative clear away as you take your wonderful holy bath. Jalabhadrika Kriya. The steps to be followed, they are simple and easy. Jalabhadrika Kriya is very simple and easy. Just understand keenly the steps to be followed. The number 1, chant the Jalabhadrika Shuddhi Mahamantra once before you go for the bath any day, any time. It should be done immediately or within 4 hours of chanting. So, if you do the chanting at around 6 a.m., you may take your bath before or the earliest possible before it is 11 a.m. So, 4 hours of chanting. The moment you chant, you have got 4 hours time to take the bath. So, the first step is chanting the Jalabhadrika Shuddhi Mahamantra just once before you decide to go for the bath. Step 2. Draw the beautiful Jalabhadrika Mudra. We call it the symbol Jalabhadrika Likhita Mudra, symbol upon water taken in a tumbler or bucket. But always remember, any Jalatantric symbols or mudras should only be drawn by your left or right little finger only. You should use your little finger to inscribe the symbol. You can take a tumbler of water and draw the symbol in the water after chanting the Jalabhadrika Shuddhi Mahamantra once. Step 3. Chant the Jalabhadrika Snana Mantra 11 times or more as you allow the energized symbol inscribed water to fall upon your body, or even while you take the shower. Just keep chanting the mantra 11 times or more. That's it. See the transformation happening within few days. To practice, to get well versed, it may take some time, but once you are well versed with the mantra and the entire kriya, you'll be surprised. It is just a matter of few minutes. All you need to do is practice the Jalabhadrika Mudra by drawing it upon a paper or board until you master it. You should draw it upon water with your little finger only. Learn to chant the Jalabhadrika mantra and get ready for the power bath. I am initiating you. This is a mode of distance initiation. I'm initiating you each time you hear me chanting. Whenever you play my voice, trust me, it is an initiation happening. Though it is not a must that you should chant the Shuddhi mantra, though it is enough if you simply play the video and hear it, it would be an additional advantage if you can chant it too. It is always multi-powerful if you can hear it always directly from Keshara Mitra's voice. Jalabhadra Kriya is simple and easy. Very powerful Jalabhadrika Kriya. Power bathing. Jalabhadrika Shuddhi Mahamantra. It has to be chanted once or even more. Welcome to the steps now. Jalabhadrika Shuddhi Mahamantra. Vaishnavim lokahihamaadyantam Varunadityaya Indraya namo Varunyai namo Adbhyaha. Vaishnavim వైష్ణవీం లోక ఇహమాదయంతాం వరుణాదిత్యాయ ఇంద్రాయ నమో వారుణ్యై నమో అద్భ్యః గంగే చ యమునే చైవ గోదావరీ సరస్వతీ నర్మదే సింధు కావేరీ జలేస్మిన్ సన్నిధిం కురు. రేవాస్మరణం నర్మదాస్మరణం త్రిపురవరానంద ప్రేరకం జలాభిరామం జలభద్రికా స్మరణ కిరణం. గంగే చ యమునే చైవ గోదావరీ సరస్వతీ నర్మదే సింధు కావేరీ జలేస్మిన్ సన్నిధిం కురు. రేవాస్మరణం నర్మదాస్మరణం త్రిపురవరానంద ప్రేరకం జలాభిరామం జలభద్రికా స్మరణ కిరణం. ధనుష్కోటి 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 ఇతి జపం. ధనుష్కోటి 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 ఇతి జపం. దేహమాపాదమస్తక శుచిః తుష్టి పుష్టిర్యశో దేహి. ధనుష్కోటి 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 ఇతి జపం. దేహమాపాదమస్తక శుచిః తుష్టి పుష్టిర్యశో దేహి. పంచజలతాండవముద్రేణ ప్రక్షాళయ ప్రక్షాళయ. పంచజలతాండవముద్రేణ ప్రక్షాళయ ప్రక్షాళయ. జన్మదోష కర్మదోష మర్మదోష దేహదోష. పంచజలతాండవముద్రేణ ప్రక్షాళయ ప్రక్షాళయ. జన్మదోష కర్మదోష మర్మదోష దేహదోష మనోచాంచల్యదోష అవిద్యాగ్రహణదోష వాగ్దోష వాచాలదోష దూషణాదోష ఉపశమనం. వ్యసన పీడనాదోష స్త్రీశాప గురుశాప మాతృపితృశాపదోషహరణం జాహ్నవీ స్మరణం. పంచజలతాండవముద్రేణ ప్రక్షాళయ ప్రక్షాళయ. జన్మదోష కర్మదోష మర్మదోష దేహదోష మనోచాంచల్యదోష అవిద్యాగ్రహణదోష వాగ్దోష వాచాలదోష దూషణాదోష ఉపశమనం. వ్యసన పీడనాదోష స్త్రీశాప గురుశాప మాతృపితృశాపదోషహరణం జాహ్నవీ స్మరణం. ధనుష్కోటి జలప్రోక్షణఫలం దేహి దేహి. ధనుష్కోటి జలప్రోక్షణఫలం దేహి దేహి. భద్రం జీవంతో అశీమహి. భద్రం జీవంతో అశీమహి. సర్వతీర్థసముద్భూతా పావనా పాపహరిణః. భద్రం జీవంతో అశీమహి. సర్వతీర్థసముద్భూతా పావనా పాపహరిణః. ఆపశరీర సంశుద్ధిం నఖశిఖపర్యంత సంశుద్ధిం. ఆపశరీర సంశుద్ధిం నఖశిఖపర్యంత సంశుద్ధిం. కురు కురు సర్వదా కురు కురు సర్వదా. నర్మదా సర్వం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. ఆపశరీర సంశుద్ధిం నఖశిఖపర్యంత సంశుద్ధిం. కురు కురు సర్వదా. నర్మదా సర్వం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. This is a highly powerful initiating mantra which works as a divine blessing from the Virat Rishi Mandala. You can just chant it once. You may choose to chant it any number of times. Jalabhadra Kriya is simple and easy. You can draw the mudra before and chant the Jalabhadrika Shuddhi Maha Mantra, or you can draw the symbol even after chanting this Jalabhadrika Shuddhi Maha Mantra. Receive the mudra with love and devotion. Jalabhadrika Likhita Mudra. This is a symbol. Look at it. there is a beautiful Kona formation of an eye with a circle representing the eyeball. There are 3 lines, which is Trishaktyatmakam and Trimurtyatmakam. On the top, the upper edge, there is a triangle, and there is one more triangle in the lower edge, the Urthvamukha Adhomukha Trikonam Madhye Vruttam. Remember this wonderful Jalabhadrika mudra. You should always draw this mudra upon water with your little finger only. Now, taking the tumbler of water upon which you have drawn this symbol, you can chant the Jalabhadrika Snana Mantra 11 times. Or you can just walk into your shower or bath, mix it with the water which you have taken for bath, or you can keep the tumbler aside and begin taking the bath as you chant this mantra 11 times. It would be great if you can first energize the tumbler of water. After drawing the symbol, you may chant the mantra 11 times and the water is energized for the power bath. Receive the Jalabhadrika Snana Mantra as I chant it 11 times. Jalabhiramam Dhanushkoti Rakshasi Om Jum Jam Jalabhadrikaya Namaha. 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 Jalabhadrika Kriya, power bathing. It is very powerful and effective. Do it with love and faith. Aditya Sakshi, Sampurna Raksha. Remember the 3 steps. Take a tumbler of water. Chant the main mantra which has been given to you, which is very, very powerful. It is called Jalabhadrika Shuddhi Maha Mantra. Chant it just once. Later, draw the Jalabhadrika mudra with the little finger upon the water and chant the wonderful Jalabhadrika Snana Mantra 11 times. That's all. You have to use the water within 4 hours' time to take the bath. This is very, very important. Trust me, this is going to clear away several blockages and dilute the impact of negativity accumulated within you probably by your own behavior or with the negative vibrations caused by others. Very powerful Jalabhadrika Kriya power bathing. Thank you very much, Aditya Sakshi, Sampurna Raksha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudatyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samastha Sukhino Bhavantu. Narayanam Surya Narayanam Arka Narayanam Purna Narayanam Gruni Surya Aditya Om Gruni Surya Aditya Purnanandaya Om Tattvamasi Shubhamastu Digvijayostu Jayostu Hari Om Tat Sat.